So I got this top from Madewell a few days ago and I like it, but the sleeve feels really bulky. When I let my arm down, it feels like I'm having some sort of armor. I'm going to alter the sleeves to make it more fitted and tailored. So there's two ways I can do to slim down the end of the sleeve. What I can do is I can sew the bottom of it like this, or I can add a pleat over here that can also achieve the same, but then maybe like creating like a little bit puffiness around the arm, make it kind of like more, I guess, cute. I think I'm gonna go with just like trimming down the sleeve and make it more slim. So after I have decided how much I want to remove the sleeve, I folded the sleeve along with the seam and then using a pen to mark how much I want to remove. So in my case, I want to remove 1 inch and 3/4. So then I use a water-soluble marker to connect where the pin is to just a little bit before the armpit seam. If I need to remove the mark, I can just smudge a little bit water on the mark and the ink should disappear without any problem. Instead of using a seam ripper to remove the hem of the sleeves, I actually just trim it off using a fabric scissor because the hem is really narrow. So by removing it, I'm not really changing the length of the sleeves as much. And then I just pin them together using fabric pins and get ready for sewing. So I just follow along the mark I had with the water-soluble fabric pen and make sure to backstitch at the beginning and the end. So now you can see that the sleeve opening is a lot smaller than before. And then once I make sure this is the exact sleeve I want, I just cut away the actual fabrics, leaving 1/2 inch as the seam allowance. And I will finish it with a zigzag stitch. After finishing up the zigzag stitch, I tied the end of the thread with a knot just to make it actually secure. And this is what the finished edge looks like. Now all I need to do is to hem the sleeves, so I'm going to fold it once and fold it again, and then I'll do a top stitch along the entire sleeve. So this is what the finished hem looks like. I went with a very narrow hem because I think it looks really lightweight. And here is the finished project. I'm really happy with the end result. I think the new sleeve profile looks really elegant and very fitted. I hope you enjoyed this project and I will see you next time. Bye!